Hello folks, good evening time, 01 here. It's a Dave made M80 repair review. Replaced the relay in it. It's really all done. Cleaned it up, checked the tune. Got her working good. Got her ready to send back. We'll look at the 88 to drive it. Remember we're on 15.5. Here's the drive. Hello audio. Hello audio. 5 watts PP. Straight through SWR with amp off. Hello audio. Hello audio. Turn it on. Start out with the SWR reflex. Input reflex. Hello audio. Hello audio. Almost nothing. Output reflex. 5 watt reverse. Hello audio. Hello audio. Half watt. 1000 watt slug. Average power. Variable wide open. Hello audio. Hello audio. 6575 average. PP. 1000 watt slug. It's 220/90 by the way at 15 volts. Hello audio. Hello audio. 1, 2, 3. Hello audio. About 300. Hello audio, working my little Dave made, working this little Dave made, and I'm waving this M80. Hello audio. We'll go over here and check this scale. 2500 watt slug, PP, just to confirm. Hello audio, working this little Dave made, working this little Dave made driver. Hello audio on PP mode. Hello audio, close 300 PP, we're waving. There she is, she's all fixed up, ready to go. We'll get her put back together and shipped out to you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all free to 10-018B, this is Back Quiet.